Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to boost your online privacy and access more features on your PS5? In this quick guide, I will show you three easy ways to use NordVPN with your PlayStation 5 step by step. First of all, Smart DNS. This method is fast to set up and lets you change your DNS settings for better regional access. But keep in mind it doesn't encrypt your traffic. Here's how. Find your IP version for address. This method is fast to set up, then log into your NordVPN account and enable Smart DNS in the dashboard. On PS5, on your PS5, go to Network Settings, then Advanced Settings, then DNS Settings and select Manual. Enter the primary and secondary DNS provided by NordVPN. That's it. Your PS5 is now using Smart DNS. For full VPN protection, install NordVPN directly on your router. This way, every device, including your PS5, is covered. Make sure your router supports the OpenVPN protocol. Log into its control panel and follow NordVPN setup guide for your specific model. Once connected, your PS5 will be automatically secured. Follow these steps. Install NordVPN on your computer and connect to a server. Enable internet sharing in your network settings. Connect your PS5 to your PC via an Ethernet cable for the best speed. Now your PS5 is using the VPN connection from your computer, and that's it. Three simple ways to use NordVPN on your PS5. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials